TEFL and TESOL?
Okay. Now this is the second question, yeah. Is this different question, right? Now we can collect question first, and then later on we'll answer together. Do you think that natives teachers need this? Yeah, that is second question. Okay. Next question, please. Number 3. Question number 3. Come on, Umi Rida. You'd like to say something, you Umi?
I'm Nur Alia, sir.
Nuralia, okay, Nuralia.
Yes. Yeah, I want to give a question. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, everyone, can you show the slide? Get your masters in TESOL. TESOL. Yes, actually, I'm so interested in this slide. Get your masters in TESOL, teaching English, speaking of other language. Well, my question is, can you tell us about the requirements? I mean the syarat requirements to get magister masters in TESOL, and can you recommend us what university? Is there any university in Indonesia has the TESOL faculty or not? Okay, that's my question. Thank you.
Okay. What about you, Erlina Wati?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I have a question. In this situation, that in pandemic situation, how the ESL teachers can develop their professional in ESL teachers. According to your opinion, is the webinar related to or categorized in professional development?
Okay.
It is my first question. And the second, in Indonesia, we know that there is a call with PPG.
Yeah.
PPG, and in Unimed, perhaps there is a new education program called by professional guru, PPG. My question is it categorized to professional development for ESL teachers or no?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you repeat again the first questions?
Yes, my first question is, in this pandemic situation, I think how the teacher impossible to make a professional development directly. So there is some webinar to develop professional development for teachers. My question is webinar categorized to professional development or no?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
Well, maybe Mr. Saputra want to answer Miss Hua question.
Sorry, wait a minute. I will answer the Miss Wa's question.
Or Miss Sintadora, maybe.
Okay, Bismillah. I want to try to answer the question from Seswariati about the related about TESOL or TFL in certification of teacher. Maybe I will answer in the Indonesian language because my vocabulary is so little. Ya, I'm so sorry. Oke, tadi pertanyaan Sis Wariati tentang sertifikasi ya, hubungan sertifikasi guru dengan professional development yang 3 ini tadi. Padahal sebenarnya guru-guru ini sudah memiliki sertifikasi gitu kan. Akan tetapi ketika mereka sudah memiliki sertifikasi dalam mengajar, itu tidak didukung oleh 3 poin ini tadi. Jadi apa gitu hubungannya gitu ya, Seswariati ya?
Iya.
Ya. Oke, menurut saya hubungan ini memang khususnya dalam bahasa Inggris ya, dalam mengajar bahasa Inggris itu tidak ketika mereka mendapatkan sertifikasi dan mendapatkan tunjangan untuk menjadi guru yang profesional, akan tetapi ketika realisasinya tidak ada didukung oleh TFL, TESOL, dan apa tadi? Mungkin yang kategori yang lain IELTS gitu ya, IELTS, yes, sorry, IELTS. Oke, mungkin yang menjadi pertanyaan kita itu kenapa bisa seperti itu gitu kan? Padahal seharusnya yang mendapatkan sertifikasi ini juga harus didukung materi-materi yang bisa membuat guru-guru ini menjadi lebih baik profesionalitasnya dalam mengajarkan seperti itu. Dan mungkin menurut saya yang harus dipertanyakan itu adalah yang mengadakan sertifikasi ini gitu. Pemerintah tentunya ya kan. Kenapa mereka tidak mengadakan tes seperti TESOL, TFL, dan IELTS gitu. Karena ini sangat-sangat mendukung sekali untuk bisa membuat seorang guru itu menjadi memiliki kapabilitas yang cukup dalam mengajar terkait dengan pengetahuan umum tentang bahasa Inggris, misalnya di grammar tentunya, dan practicing in English, in speaking, writing, of course. Jadi mungkin itu menurut saya mengenai pertanyaan Sus Waryati. Mungkin ada yang ingin menambahkan.
Hello, yeah, it's a little bit crowded, yeah, noisy. Yeah, I think it's quite acceptable for the response and answer. Even actually the main question is not only about how important that kind of qualification, but I mean that the status quo or the current issues of the professionalism, the professional teachers nowadays is not talking about the real qualification belongs to the three indicators that you show here as the importance of ESL teachers, importance of professional development as ESL teachers. I mean that the professional teachers who got that status because of the legacy qualification from the government. In fact, when they are teaching, they are not as qualified as what stated on that certificate. Then the teachers as well, they also not having the professional qualifications, such as they don't have a TEFL training, they don't have a TESOL or IELTS, something like that. What I really want to be discussed today is, actually, what should we do as the what we call as young generation, agent of change, as an academic one, what we really need to think and what kind of action and what we need to do for our discussion. I mean that so that after we are finishing this material discussion for today's materials, it's not only just pass by, but we also able to doing something like the purpose of our character praying, so that probably we can get much more blessing, inshallah. So ladies and gentlemen, everyone, the presenters particularly consist of 5 presenters for today, 5 members of presenters. I think it's quite many people and many ideas to give the response as an additional response and thinking idea. For others member, also for audience, probably you also can give some rich ideas to share and give much benefit for our today's discussion. So actually, what should we respond from this, and what kind of action we should do, what actually the teachers should do? Is it just enough to get the legacy professional? Meanwhile, the implementation of qualification, it's not enough. Yeah, thank you.
What is the solution you propose?
Yes, the problem solving. Because
What
yeah, year by year, we find out that the number of professional teacher of English, yes, it's always increase. But if we cross check to the school probably, it's quite far from like TEFL qualification as well, TESOL, even TOEFL or IELTS. It's quite far away. So what we should discuss today about that related to the topic of professional development. I think it's quite interesting topic, sir.
Yeah.
Because it's not only
What do you
theory, right?
think? How do you give solutions to your school, especially? You need one kind of activity, yeah, that can improve your career. Then, have you got certification already?
Me not yet, sir.
Not yet. Okay. Those who already get certification, you know, they still have not specific competencies in TEFL or in TESOL. Yeah. So it's a kind of still general, yeah, general certification. And yeah, some teachers would like to, yeah, to get more money to have the certifications, since that's the main purpose of the certification. How can uh, you earn more money from that? Not quality yet. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's time for you to think what solution you should do in your class, in your school, for example. And I believe that you have not only one teachers in the school, right? Not only one English teachers, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in one school, you can have 2 or 3 teachers, yeah, 2 or 3 teachers. Well, can you make a kind of activities for the 3 teachers, for example, to increase or to improve your yeah, your ability, your competency in TESOL, for example, or in TEFL. Yeah, just make a kind of simple activities without uh, without mm, wasting much money, but you can improve. Yeah, something like a discussion, for example, discussion every month, for example. You make a special discussion every month, or internal, let's say internal workshop, yeah, which can involve your students together with the teachers. Or maybe you can invite external speakers or native speakers to your schools. Yeah, I think this is one of uh, a good activity to improve the teachers' professional development. Yeah. So not only getting a master degree, because there are many teachers who do not have this opportunity yet. Yeah. That is my suggestions. Please think it over. You have simple, let's say, yes, simple discussions in routine. One in Seman, for example. If it is possible, one in 2 weeks. Yeah, it depends on your teacher. Do you have communication among the teachers in the school?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, communication means not communication only, not only talking, and then yeah, not related to improve your TOEFL or TESOL competencies. Yeah, so try. You can do now, including webinars, for example. Yeah, webinars is one of the teachers' development, also professional development through webinar, because in this pandemic you cannot go out. Yeah, and then you can do seminar to webinars. Yeah, and this is effective activities to develop your profession or your career. Okay, that is my additional comment. You can continue.
Maybe I will add to sir what
Yeah.
is the we can do for adding our professional become a teacher. Like you have said, make a group communications one times in a week, maybe probably. I think so. Become a teacher, we can make a group WhatsApp, maybe yeah, group WhatsApp. We can make a schedule 1 weeks, maybe 1 weeks. We make a topic what we will talk about, maybe about the grammar, maybe about the how to improve our grammatical or improve our speaking, because sometimes in house there is no something support us to speak in English, maybe. So we can do it in group WhatsApp, and also make some training in latihan apa menulis misalnya gitu ya, di rumah misalnya. Jadi setiap ada kita buat pertemuan di grup WhatsApp ataupun pertemuan ketika di sekolah, kita bisa menentukan jadwal untuk apa yang kita bahas dalam pertemuan itu gitu. Bisa kita tentukan untuk meningkatkan kemampuan kita dalam itu tadi pengembangan professional development, become a teacher. Mungkin itu aja dari saya. Mungkin teman-teman yang lain ada yang mau menambahkan?
By the way, what is your activity?
Who, sir?
What is your activity? What communication you make in the WhatsApp?
Communication maybe about the we can decide it, sir. Bisa kita tentukan sendiri gitu. Misalnya minggu ini kita bahas ini, Minggu selanjutnya kita bahas ini.
Okay, for example, what mention one of the topic you
Uh,
did. Mention one.
About the for this week we have to talk about grammatical. For about the grammatical, maybe about the sentence, yeah, sentence, how to make a sentence for our student.
Do you mean that the way how to teach grammar?
Yes, sir.
Do you discuss about how to teach grammar? The strategy how to teach grammar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Teach how to teach grammar, how to teach how make students become happy to studying.
okay. Yeah. If you do this in routine, yeah, I believe that you can improve your career. Yeah, you can improve your career. But I advise you, for example, in at the end of the semester, you better, for example, invite.
Yeah.
You better invite a native speaker, for example, native speaker. Yeah, professional native speaker, and ask your headmaster to invite one, yeah, one of the TESOL degree, yeah, who has TESOL degree.
Yes, I think so, sir.
So
Because
that, yeah.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Because when we will invite the native speaker, it's interesting for our student, right?
Yeah.
And become a spirit to be able to improve their English, and also
Yeah.
for the teacher especially.
Yeah. At the same time, the teacher will learn something from native speakers.
Yes, sir.
Especially the strategy, how to teach the students. Yeah. Okay. Do you have another comment about this? If you don't, you can continue to the next question.
Well, sir, I would like to answer the.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Related to your saying about a native speaker, do you know about how to contact native speaker to come to our school or to our learning center of English? Do you know, sir?
Yeah. Through, for example, embassy, U.S. embassy. You come to U.S. embassy. Yeah.
Do you have an experience? Actually, now I'm in Rantau Prapat. Do you have an
Yeah.
experience that they want to come? That if we invite them,
Why?
do they
Why
want to
not?
come to our school?
They like it very much.
Oh,
They like it very much. But sometimes the teachers are not brave enough to invite them.
yes.
So if you are welcome, they like it very much.
Oh, yes, I see, sir. Embassy, yes, sir.
Embassy, yeah. British embassy, U.S. embassy, yeah.
In Medan, is there any embassy?
Yeah, of course. The yeah, consul, yeah.
Yeah, consular.
Consul. Yeah. You can come there, and yeah, you have to ask them in, for example, in what month they come to Indonesia, for example.
Oh.
You can ask them. But in this pandemic,
Mhm.
I think this opportunity is still postponed for the time being lah ya.
Yes, I mean when in Indonesia will become normal.
Yeah,
Oh, you mean the counselor from British? They don't live. They don't stay in Indonesia, sir.
yeah, they stay in Indonesia, but you should have let's say an agreement to that embassy when the native is very welcome to be invited.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Well, sir, can we continue the discussion?
Okay.
Hey, because there is one question that has not been answered. I mean, so I would like to answer Miss Melly's question related about. I mean, Miss Melly question is about: do you think English teacher need professional development? Is it right, Miss Melly?
More specific, do you think that native speaker, teachers, the native teachers with English as their native language, do they also need this kind of certification to be a TEFL or TESOL teacher?
So I mean, it is same like Miss What question. Yeah, I mean,
I don't think it was the same.
The answer is yes.
maybe yes, because I mean, yes, of course, if you
All right.
want to be a good teacher, I mean, especially ESL teacher, so we need to increase or improve our skill to be professional development. So the goal is so that the teaching is not stagnant. So
Thank you
we
for the
as teacher need
answer.
yes.
Yeah, it's like in Indonesian teachers, for example. Yeah, the teachers who teach Indonesian language. Yeah, do you feel that they need the improvement?
Sure, sir.
Of course.
Of course.
Yeah, even though they can speak Indonesian, but academically you need not only just speaking bahasa Indonesia, ya, not only just speaking, but how can you teach Indonesian language professionally, or even you can teach Indonesian language to speakers of other countries, for example. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next, continue. Hello. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Will you in 15 minutes in about 15 minutes please write down what activity you should do to improve the English teachers professional development, yeah, in the school. Please write down several activity, yeah, several activity you should do. Please, everyone, I would like you to write several activities that can improve the teacher's career. Especially English teachers, yeah. Okay. I'm waiting for 15 minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Several activities that English teachers should do to improve professional development
Yeah.
in the school. So
In the school. In the school. Okay, who has finished already? Who has finished
Sir,
writing the activity?
sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I am Fahmi Al-Fadi. I'm the new student here, sir.
Oh, yeah.
And I try to answer your questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Answer, please.
Okay. Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. The several activities that I get is number
Your
one
name,
is
please.
doing speaking.
Excuse me, your
My
name,
name
your
is
name.
Fahmi, sir.
Fahmi, okay.
My
Okay,
name is
Fahmi.
Fahmi Al.
Yeah.
My first activities is doing speaking every time. It means that we have to invite someone or others in surrounding us to speaking English. The second is making English club or special club, but it is always oriented with English, maybe written, speaking, and others. Number three is making outdoor activities, especially we can get study tour and get hunting tourists and someone else. And number four is inviting native speaker. And number five is recognize and invite students to read and analyze English book. I mean, I think that's enough for me, sir. There are several activities to
Mention
improve English.
once again. Mention once again number
Yes.
five. Number five. Mention.
Number five is recognize or invite students to read and analyze English book.
An English book, yeah.
Yes, sir. Maybe comic, newspaper, but it's oriented by English written.
Okay, good.
Okay, that's
Thank
for me,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Khairia Panjaitan, sir. I want to try answer your question, sir. And
Your
this
name, your
is
name?
Khairia
Your name, please.
Panjaitan. Khairia Panjaitan, sir.
Khairia. Okay, Khairia.
Yes, sir. I want to answer based on my experience in my school, sir.
Yeah.
In my school, I have to practice about memorizing, sir, to increase our development language in English, sir.
Well, memorizing. What do you mean by memorizing?
Memorizing about one object per week, so the student can find at least 20 or minimal 10 words from one object. Start from A, so the student can find 10 words from A, so they can memorize about what else the words from A, like an apple and arms, like that, sir. So for the next week, we can change for the from to the B letter or B object alphabet, and then like that, sir.
Okay. Next. What else? What other activity?
And for the others increase, I also to asking to the students to watch the film about the Western films, yeah, that use English language, sir. So I ask them to not to see the meaning of the text or text from the film. So I want to them to memorize what the words that you can from our memorizing later there. So
Okay. Next.
I think that's all from me, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Other participant, please.
Halo, sir. Assalamualaikum.
Salam. Your name, please.
Okay, sir. I'm Umirida Siregar, sir.
Okay, Umirida.
Yes, sir.
What is your
I'd like
activity?
to answer about your question, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, according to me, there are several activities to improve professional development teacher in the classroom, sir. And it's very simple that I ever to do to my students, sir. The first that is ice breaking, sir. Not usually, but yes, ice breaking, sir. To make the student not bored about the learning process in the classroom, sir. And then the second, games. Yes, almost same with, not almost same, sir, but games is related to the other material that I explanation to my student to make their not board a chooser, but relate to the material. And then it's outdoor learning, ya keluar apa sih maksudnya belajar di ruang kelas. And the fourth, yang keempat, I think all the school maybe do the programs. It's literacy program, sir. So the student have a chance to deliver their ability or their kemauan to speak English through poetry, maybe, or song like this, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Next.
Hello, sir.
Next, please. Yeah. Your name, please.
Melly, sir.
Melly. Okay, Melly.
Okay, I only have 2 activities that I actually do that I think it improve my development as English teacher, sir. The first thing is, of course, we have so many social media, and I think I can get benefit from that. So I join English teachers group worldwide. So from that activity, I get acquaintance from many countries such as Turkey, Argentina, and also the one that is very active. Of course, it's a teacher from India. And from that one activities, I can invite them virtually to my class so that my students can interact with them. So they even if it's only virtual, it is very effective that my students get more confident and they can learn more about English. That's
Yeah. Okay, finish. Okay, next, please. Yes, your name, please.
My name is Nur Alia.
Nur Alia, okay.
Yeah, some several activities that I always do at school with my students. Yeah, before I tell about that, actually I have an experience when I studied in Pare, East Java, Kampung Inggris. Yes, actually in there, I saw there were so many fun activities in Kampung Inggris, Pare. Actually, all of them were so fun. So enjoyed the study, and I found out about the secret. So the secret is they very enjoyed the activity because the activity is not boring. The first one, the tutor or the tutor taught us about how to speak English. Well, at the first is we should listen too much. We should listen the native speaker. So we can speak English. We can speak English as a native speaker. We can pronounce well as a native speaker. So we should listen like a podcast, like a conversation from the native speaker. And the second one is, yeah, the tutor said, don't ever study English word by word because it is dangerous, because it is useless. But please study English sentence by sentence. If you have a new vocabulary, you have to make it in sentence. sentence by sentence will make a paragraph. So please don't study, don't ever memorize word by word, but make it in a sentence. So I applied a lot of the experience, the subject to my school, and Alhamdulillah, it's successful. And the last one, we always study in a game related to the subject. Like if we want to make our English, how to say, like a native speaker, we have to practice the tongue twister. Yes, so I make it the tongue twister in my school, and my students are very happy. Okay, that's my experience. So yeah, several activities that I do in my school. Thank you.
Okay, good. Well, thank you. Next, please. Next, please.
Rizka
Yes.
Ramadhani Siregar, sir.
Pardon?
Rizka
Ramadhani?
Yes, sir.
Rizka Ramadhani. Okay, Rizka.
The question is things to do to improve teachers' careers, especially English teacher, yes, sir.
Yeah.
In my opinion, first, we must improve the teacher's improvement, such as doing some research with another colleagues or another English teacher. So from that research, we know that what is the current situation or the current needs from the student. So we can apply it to our school. That's it, sir. Doing some research.
Doing some research, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Have you done this kind of activity in
No,
your school?
sir. I'm not a teacher yet, actually, sir.
Oh, yeah. Okay, next,
Thank you, sir.
please. Thank you. What about you, Marliana? Rosita? Erlinawati? Widarmawanta?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Wariati speaking, sir.
Okay, Wariati.
Yeah, I would like to share the strategy implemented to improve my student English skills. Number one, what I usually do for them is having such a simple movement. Even actually, it's not a real brain gym, but it's just something relaxing. Invite them to relax, something like moving the hand, the head, and then I give them such instruction to control the concentration, something like to move to the right, to the left, to turn around. And then after that, they will be asked to mention some statement such as like motivation to support them to be positive and enthusiastic in learning English, such as for responding to really thankful to the God first, such as like they greetings to the nature, such as like good morning sunshine or good morning wonderful sky and blah blah, and then thank you God for this wonderful day. And then besides, I after they move around and doing the statement, I also ask them to make more yell, something like a little statement, and then singing together. After that, they will be asked to write in English about what problem they have,
Mhm.
So in a piece of letter, they will show it a blank paper, and then they will write. I said that any kinds of problem you have right now, put it down to the paper, and then they will put everything that, and then after they finish for writing the whole problems, and then they
Mhm.
will stand up and make a statement together that every single problem they have will be keep in this paper. And and then beside that, they also, after finish that kind of treatment, the fourth treatment and the fifth treatment, they will make a resolution. So every single student will stand up again, and each of them will use one hand to show the paper that that contain the resolution. So something like they will say resolution, this is my resolution. So every single student will mention the resolution from this coming days. So what kind of target, what kind of such as like the ambition, it will be written in that paper. So means that the purpose of this, after they really promise and keep everything, that everything will be fine and okay from the paper, from the problem, as the as the fourth steps, and the fifth one is the resolution, it will combine them to make a very good preparation for learning. Even the weakness from these five steps is it will be really wasting time, but even the rest of the moment, I mean that the rest of the duration for learning, it will be a little bit small duration, but the students at least will be really motivated and will be really ready to learn more. So the quality time will be gotten. So they got the brain jam, they got the movement, they got the positive statement, the thankful as religious, and also the cleaning of toxic. So every single problem will be lifted down, and then also the resolution as the supporting point to really energize their power. It will be really strengthen the power. So it means that it's something like optimize the students potential. So after they really understand what really they really want to do, they will have some uh, something like draft of their life. So it will really invite their awareness to learn. It will invite their awareness that learning is not only fulfill uh, the the requirement as or the responsibility as students and teacher, or it just to fulfill the teacher, or it just to get the score, but actually it is really important for them. So I also make the simple one on my YouTube channel to show off some simple sample. I mean that it actually it can be also really shared to some friends who get some problem, particularly to the student have low motivation in learning English. So sometimes they have problems they also always keep in their mind, so that it can be really a big obstacle to prevent them to improve their uh, quality and qualification. Because in that moment I also share to my student that every single student have their potential, every single student are good, but the problem is how the teacher can really guide the student to improve their qualification, to improve their talent. And then after that, I will go to the main material, such as like playing games or learning the main material, vocabulary, pronunciation, or others that related to the 4 skills of English. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Do you have an activity to improve the teachers development, professional development?
It is lesson studies, something like lesson study. We invite several teachers to come to our class as the observer, so they will get their evaluation. Some others probably can get some motivation or inspiration, but others can give some contribution, such as they will give some evaluation for the time management or the materials or blah blah blah. Lesson studies.
Okay. How often did you do this lesson study?
It is periodic, actually. Depend on the department. I mean the department in the institution. They have the schedule. It is not regularly.
Especially for English teachers. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Especially for English teachers, how often you do this lesson study?
Probably it's about 6 months. The
6
periodic
months.
about 6 months, every 6 months, because it's quite hard to invite other teachers. They are quite busy, right? They have their own activities. It's also a little bit challenging, actually. And then
especially English teachers, yeah.
Yes, English teachers, and then it's quite hard to get the volunteer, right? I mean that sometimes we really need the volunteer, but everything you really need in charge, so that is really challenging, sir. Or probably if we want to invite from another schools, we also need the transportation fee, right? And many things, many regulation, actually. So it's challenging. I think the program of lesson study also quite good, but the challenging, there's some they really needs some consideration to do, sir.
Do you think that our government involved in this activity?
Yeah, for lesson study, it will be paid by the government, sir. We got the charge.
Okay.
But we do it in the something like hibah or competition from the government. So we have to propose. We do the program from the beginning as the opening. The government will give the charge, and then if we can continue, and then the program running well, and it will be competed in the government. If they said that we can go up, they will transfer much more charge to be used by our program. If not, it is back to our personal institutions, sir. That's very challenging. I mean.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another participant, please.
Sir.
Yes. Your name.
According to
Please.
me, my name
Your
is Sinta
name?
Dora, sir.
Sinta Dora. Okay, Sinta.
According to me, to improve or to increase the capability of the students in class, the first may probably
Teachers development.
we can
Related to teachers development.
Teacher. Yes.
Teacher.
Oh, teacher development, sir.
Yeah.
Not to students, sir.
Yeah, you are as English teachers. Do you have an activity to improve?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, the activity are first we can make a student
You
to
better have you done this the activity in your
I
school?
have done become a student, sir.
For example, with your other English teachers discussing together.
I have done become a student, sir, not a teacher. 7 years ago, I become a student. I have done it, and it make me enjoy to study in English. For
Okay.
example, sir, because I'm not a teacher now, sir. I just
Okay.
a Quran teacher.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I will share about the experience me about the when I become a student 7 years ago. When when I was studying, the teacher give us a, a song. So from that song, she see us to remember the song. What about the song? What the topic? What about topic about from the song? And the second, we can we can we can go to some place there is native speaker. Jadi dulu kami pernah mengunjungi seperti Istana Maimun ya, Sir ya. Di situ banyak native speaker. Jadi ketika kita bisa mengajari anak-anak murid, bisa kita bawa mereka di suatu tempat yang di mana di sana banyak native speaker seperti itu. So we can determine the topic and the student can make a question to native speaker. Jadi kita bisa mengajak murid-murid itu untuk mengunjungi native speaker di sebuah tempat, misalnya kayak di Istana Maimun yang di Medan, kemudian bisa ke Masjid Raya. Nah, jadi di situ murid-murid kita bisa mengobrol, bisa membuat pertanyaan-pertanyaan. Kemudian the other activity probably make a competition in class, not outdoor. We can make a competition. For example, students can read poem, or we can make a debating competition, maybe. So it will be make them spirit to improve, to increase their English. Just it for me, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Next.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Me, sir.
Good
Eko Saputra.
Edi Saputra, okay.
Eko Saputra, sir.
Eko Saputra, yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. I actually English teacher in my school. So we have a program to make the improvement student speaking, especially for speaking. And so the first one is before we start the learning process, we need to watch the watching some video from the native speaker, but it's not only about the native speaker. So the student watching video and then get the Islamic knowledge. So the material that they watch is about Islamic knowledge. So they get the how to pronounce it in English for better, and then they got the Islamic knowledge. So I and that is the first this is the first one. So the second is about I we do the English area, so they when they at the learning process, so they must or they supposed to speak English, not Indonesian language. And then the implementation is we do 1 week, one a week, every 1 week, especially in the 1 week we do English conversation. Every student, all of my students do English conversation. Just it, sir. I have, because this is not right now is the pandemic era, so we do not have much program to. But the planning is so very much. I mean, because the pandemic era, so we just do the 3 programs. So just it, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yeah, your name, please.
Yes, my name is Julfitri, sir.
Julfitri. Yeah.
Yeah, I will try to ensure the several activities that English teachers should do to improve professional development in school. Yeah, based on my experience before pandemic and then until today, the activities that we can do in the school, like we make the presentation. We make the presentation. It means that presentation focus on a specific pain point or weakness commonly found in the classroom, and give the solution to overcoming the problem. And then we can make a presentation that the topic relate to the way to help the student improve English using social media, and then, for example, how to teach English class online. This is the one activity, and the second activity, the teacher are to attend virtual course and seminar. This is activity in the pandemic era. Jadi some teacher attend to the virtual seminar related to our subject English education, and then the third activity is how regularly schedule for the meeting between the teacher, discuss about the condition to improve the English, and then we have training workshop. It means like TOEFL maybe, and then how to make a handout, especially to hand out English book. And then we are to put resource book in the office. Resource book, it means some book to as a reference to increase the English skill in the class. And then maybe supply resource covering like what media as a source to increase the English skill. Like in this pandemic era, we have we know about like Edmodo, sir. Edmodo. I think that's all, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Me, sir.
Yeah, your name?
Zuli Amdani.
Julie Amdani, okay.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zuli
Waalaikumsalam.
Amdani. The professional development is the set of tools, research, and training sessions for educators to improve their teaching quality effectiveness. Those who take part in workshops of leadership sessions develop and enhance specialized skills including technical, quantitative, and analytical skills. Professional developments approach to professional development including reviewing case studies, consulting and coaching, mentoring, and technical assistance. Here, collaboration and evaluation take place to enable educators to enhance students' outcomes. But in my opinion, we can be the do the activities English teachers to improve to professional development at school. We can always listening the on YouTube about the conversation or about the every morning we can listening the conversation about the we can listening the on YouTube about the conversation every time, and we can watching the television about the English speaking, and then we can take some books from the library. We always active speaking English in our family, and then if we always speaking in our family, we can speaking English in our class, or we can writing English all the times as long as you didn't busy, and I think that is I can do for this time.
Okay. Thank you. Next.
Yes, sir. You're welcome.
Next, please.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yeah, salam. Your name, please.
Herlina, sir.
Herlina, yeah. Please, Herlina.
Okay, sir. Thanks for the chance. When I hear some friend say something about there several activities that English teachers should do to improve professional development at school, I have some similar with their activities like follow the seminar.
Okay. Next. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you still with me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You want to continue? You are still thinking?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Ya, Waalaikumsalam. Ya. Continue.
Yeah, sorry, sir. There is something trouble with my signal.
Oh, ya. Okay.
My activity now to improve professional development is to follow this master degree.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think that I can meet with the greatest friend from other province. I can meet the great lecturer like you. So I mean that in my school there are two English teacher in our madrasah, me and my friend. But my friend graduated from technique.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, mismatch. Jadi I cannot collaborate everything with her. So
Okay.
I think I follow master degree. It's very important for me to improve my professional development.
Yeah. But for the time being, you can help. You can help uh, your partner. Yeah.
Yeah.
For the time being, yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
In order he or she will have experience in teaching English, because you need English teachers
Yes.
beside you, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks for your advice,
Is it
sir.
okay? Yeah, is it okay?
Okay. That's
Yeah.
all. Okay, so thanks.
Next.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Salam.
Sir,
Rosita.
excuse me, sir. Eddie Zulfikar, sir.
Yes. Okay. Eddie
Yeah.
Zulfikar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for the chance, sir. And
Yeah.
we have here some statement from our friend, but I will make some addition about how to improve the EFL teacher. I only give one activity called as teacher support group, sir. So teacher support group like a coach, peer coaching, peer coaching. So in this activity, two or more teacher collaborating to achieve either their individual or shared goals, or both on the assumption that working with a group is usually more effective than working one's own. So by do this activity as a teacher and with our friend, we make a collaboration so we can make a reviewing and reflecting on teaching strategic method and materials, and then materials development by collaborative works, and then trying out new teaching strategies, and then peer observation to develop self-confidence of the teacher and expertise on their subject matter, and then to develop greater awareness about the issue of teaching, and then increase motivation, and then the last is overcomes teacher feeling and isolation in teaching. So by using this activity collaboration, we can like work together, and then we will give some advice one each other, so it will be better to us how to teach in the classroom. I think that's also. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. What about you, Rosita? Your name is not here yet. Hello, Mariana.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any idea to improve teachers' career?
Okay. I will give my own answer.
Mama, sana depannya apa?
What teachers should do to improve professional development at school is as we know that teaching English as a foreign language will be different other subject in the school. That now that teaching language, we need some technique
maybe in this case, as an English teacher, well, we should make or we should use some interest to when we teach English into the students. Then you know that teaching English in primary, it will be different when we teaching English in elementary, vocational, or senior high school. For me, as according to my experience, because my experience, I teach English in primary school. So we should make some interesting technique, such as in every meeting, we should or I should make some games, or when I teach vocabulary, I should provide some vocabulary card to my students, so make they are interesting in our class. Or songs related to the interesting story related to the material. Okay, so that's from me.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. What about you, Rosita? Rosita, you listening to me?
For the opportunities.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Halo, Rosita. Ya, halo Rosita. Are you listening to me, Rosita?
Hear you, sir.
Yes.
I'm present now.
Hello, Rosita. Are you listening to me?
I don't hear you, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm present.
What? Yeah. What activity you do to improve the teachers?
I teach my students luring and daring, sir, now.
Okay. How do you improve your competencies in the school?
Yeah, I don't hear you, yes, sir.
How do you teach your no? How do you improve your career? How do you
Luring and daring, sir,
yeah?
in our school, sir.
How do you improve your career?
Yes, sir.
How do you improve your career, Rosita?
Yes. I don't hear you, sir.
Are you listening to me now? Can you hear me?
I don't hear you, sir. Sir.
Ma'am Rosita
Hello?
said she cannot listen to you, sir.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
What happened?
Ma'am Rosita, can you listen to me?
Yes.
Miss Sir Didik asked you about what should you do to improve your English. To develop your English.
I don't follow the
Career.
lecture from the Didik Santoso. I do my personal
Oh yeah.
internet don't connect.
Okay.
Internet not connect.
Yeah. Better you discuss with your friends. Yeah. What we are talking about today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Do you have?
I want to ask from the groups, sir.
Oh yeah. Okay. Other participant, please. Yeah. Please, after this class, you have to this week. Yeah. I hope you find or you create one strategy to develop the teacher's career in your school. Find a strategy to develop a career in your school. Only one strategy, yeah, that you think effective to improve, yeah, the teachers' competency in your school. Even it is a simple activities. Please find a strategy. Once again, please find a strategy to improve the teacher's competency or to develop the teacher's career in your school.
Sir. Excuse me, sir. Actually, some
Hello?
some of our answers, there is a little misunderstanding. Yes, like we answer how to improve our student. Actually, your question is how to improve the teacher's career, sir.
Yeah, teacher's career, not the student.
Not student, right? Can I give additional answer, sir? Because I think that your question is about how to improve the students.
No. How to improve the teacher's career?
Yes. So
Yeah.
how about if we do micro teaching as a teacher, as an English teacher? All the English teachers in my school do the micro teaching regularly, one by one. Is that about how to improve English teachers' career?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. But now you have to create. You have to create now one routine activity that you can do to improve the teacher's career.
Okay, sir.
Think find one strategy. You have to mention the strategy. Number 1 is this, number 2 is that, number 3. Okay, only one activity that you think very effective, yeah, very effective to apply in your school. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you have to submit it next week, yeah, to me.
Submit to your email, sir.
To submit to WhatsApp.
Okay.
WhatsApp group or not one by one. You make it into one file, yeah.
One file.
One file, yeah. Now you have to create one strategy to improve the teacher's career in your school. Start with a simple career, but you do it in routine. Yeah, you do it in routine. Not big activity. No, just simple activity.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is, I think, your assignment for next week.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think. Thank you very much. I think.
You're welcome, sir.
Sir?
Yes. Any comment? Yeah.
Actually, we have submitted lesson plan, sir. Have you got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. That is in one file, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And later on, we have to give some comment on your lesson plan. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Please, you can close our session, moderator.
All right, that's all our presentation today. Thank you so much for your attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, see you next week, everybody.
See you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.